hadn't been happy in my current job for some time. And again, I was lucky enough to happen to meet Amir on a plane ride, so it certainly wasn't planned. I hadn't really thought too much about this industry, and I hadn't even heard of this company at that point. But with Amir talking about the strong company culture that this organization has, which I've found to definitely be true, along with the potential to make a fair amount of money in this trade, that certainly got me very interested in giving this a shot and seeing what I could do with this. Definitely got me really curious. And I was just in a point in my career where I really wanted to switch, and I kind of wanted an opportunity to sort of have fate be a little more up to me and get things going and be able to make some real money and make a difference in people's lives in the process. I come from a hospitality background. I've been in the hospitality industry for around 8 years. Previously, I was working at a hotel in Florham Park. I first found out about this company actually on a plane ride. I happened to sit next to Amir, and Amir told me all about this industry and this particular company and how great it was, and it definitely got me extremely interested to find out more information and really check things out for myself. And he encouraged that and wanted me to come in and meet everybody and find out what the company was really all about. And I fell in love from the first come and learn, and I had to be a part of it. So upon the conclusion of when I initially met Amir, he did make a point in saying that he wanted to get me in the building to meet various people. He was kind enough to text me and invite me to the last lunch and learn. And I heard a great presentation by our founders, George and Walter. I really liked what they had to say. And upon conclusion of the lunch and learn, Amir graciously extended a job offer to me, which after some contemplation I accepted. And from there, I had to basically sign an offer letter through Zenefits. And once I actually started here, got in the building as a mortgage loan assistant, I registered to obtain my NMLS license. So in due time, I could become an originator and start making a difference in people's lives. I've been lucky enough to have obtained a fair amount of help from pretty much all of my colleagues here. Everybody's been extremely helpful, starting with Brian Luckner, the branch manager. He's kind of been taking me under his wing and basically showing me all the nuts and bolts of this business and a lot of what goes on in the back end, which has been extremely beneficial, because with a lot of mortgage companies, they don't necessarily provide that upfront training. And they just kind of expect you to go right out and start moving and shaking without really having that prior knowledge. But this company understood that I really had no experience, and they wanted to foster me and really mentor me and guide me through that, which I'm extremely grateful for, that they wanted to take that time and kind of hold my hand and show me how things really work. So that way, when I'm ready to go out there and again get my license and make a difference in people's lives, that I know what I'm doing and I'm prepared to go out there and make those changes happen. As of right now, pretty much everything that has been assured or promised to me, nothing has really been reneged upon or hasn't been followed through with. I was told, again, because one thing I was concerned about coming in here was the fact that I was green and really had no experience. But Amir even made a point in saying when I first met him, that's okay. We're going to pretty much hold your hand and walk you through things, really show you how to do everything you need to do on the back end in terms of learning the systems and the processes, things of that nature. So going back to how helpful everybody's been, the training here I think has been exceptional, and it's really going to help once you're able to go out and change people's lives and help people obtain the American dream. Knowing the back end stuff is going to help once you're in front of the client and can help better explain to them what different situation would be right for their particular mortgage or refinance or whatever the case may be.